Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Jetta key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. This straightforward process is quick and easy, typically taking less than 5 minutes. You'll save time and money by doing it yourself. Let's prepare your key fob for disassembly and get that new battery in. With the emergency key removed, locate the small slot where the key blade was. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The case should separate with a soft click. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or a fingernail. Now, insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. Now, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Reinsert the emergency key blade back into its slot until it clicks. Finally, test your key fob to ensure it locks and unlocks your vehicle properly. If you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.